Hello class 4 students, welcome to the e-learning class of Rogers Academy. Today we will be studying SST lesson number or chapter number 4, okay? The chapter's name is A Good Citizen. What is the chapter's name? A Good Citizen. So what do you understand by the topic, chapter's name? A good. You have understood, right? Good. And now who is a citizen? A citizen is a person like you and I who belongs to a particular country or a city. So we all are the citizens of which country? We are all the citizens of India. And which this is the a good citizen. So in this chapter we are going to study about the responsibilities, the duties of becoming a good citizen. Okay. So before we begin the chapter, we will study about the various terms like civics. Okay. The word citizen has been derived from the word civis, okay, which is a Latin word which means a person who lives in a city or a country. So what is the meaning of the civis? The meaning of civis is a person who lives in a country or a city, okay, like we all are a civis, understood? So from civis we also get the word like civics. So we get the word like civics, citizen, civic and civil. So let us see the difference between all these topic or heading. Just open page number 31 for that. So see, the subject that teaches us the rights and duties of a citizen and also the way government works is called as civics. So it is basically a subject. Just like we have social studies, science, mathematics, these are all subjects, right? So similarly, civics is also a study which teaches us, the human beings, about what? About our duties and the rights that the government has given us, okay? Now who is the government? The government is the one who is ruling us, who is the head of the country, okay, who looks after the country and who looks after the benefits and the betterment of a country. So now we come to citizen. Who is a citizen? A citizen is a person who belongs to that particular country or city. I am a citizen of which country? India. We all live in which country? We all live in India, okay? So another word is civic. C-I-V-I-C, civic. Connection with people who live in a city or country. So as we all live with our family and we have a neighborhood, so we all human beings are very, very social. Okay, we have some kind of bond, connection with the people who live near us. Okay, so that is called to be a civic. People who keep the surroundings clean have a civic sense. So a person who is very, very good means the person who has a very good civic sense. Now what does that mean? A good civic sense means to the person who keeps their surroundings clean and green, okay, who takes care of the public property. Understood? Then we come to the next term that is called as civil. It has many meanings, but an important one is being polite to other people. So whenever someone is behaving in a very good manner with you, you'll tell that this person is very civil, okay? And if some person behaves very badly, rudely, in a very abrupt manner with you, then you'll call as this person don't have any civil at all, okay? That is how we differentiate. So I hope you have understood. Civis means the people, we the people who live in a country and a city. And who is a civic? Civics is a subject where we learn about duties and the rights of our common human being, okay? Citizen. A citizen is a person who lives in a particular country or a city, okay? Like we live in India. Then we come to civic. Now civic means to have a good sense towards the nature, towards the surrounding, where you keep your surrounding clean and green. Then we come to civil. Civil means a person who is very polite, who is very humble in the way they behave, okay? The person who has a very good civils, good manners, they are called to be as civil, okay? So this chapter is all about civics, okay? So in this chapter we will be studying about how we can be a good citizen of a country. Do you want to be a good citizen or not? Yes, you should be a very good citizen, okay? Now, the very first topic is civic sense. Like I said, what is a civic sense? When we take care of our surroundings in a very good manner, just like as it is our home, then we call it to be a civic sense. Okay. So see, what are the duties of us, the citizens? We are the citizens. So what is our duty towards our surroundings? Okay, their neighbors, towards their neighbors and people. So responsibility means duty to take care of something or somebody. So what is responsibility? Responsibility means to take care of something or somebody. It is basically a duty. Okay, so citizens have duties, so we all have our own particular duties towards our nation. Okay, and responsibility towards whom? The first one, towards their neighbors and other people. So first thing first, which to whom we belong first? To our home, to our family, then to the nature, to the neighbors, isn't it? So the first duty that we have is towards our neighbors and other people. The place where we live in, study or work, we need to keep that place very clean, tidy. The neighborhood, city and country. Okay, then comes the neighborhood, the city and the country. The environment, we have to take care of our environment in a very better manner. Okay, rules and laws, for example, school rules or the rules on how to keep the roads safe. So we need to follow the rules that we are given. We have so many rules, isn't it? Even we have rules in our school. There's a road rules. So these traffic rules. So all these things has to be followed. When we follow all these things, we become a very good citizen. Okay, and we all should try to become a very good citizen. The citizen of which country? India. Okay. Now we'll study about who is a neighbor. Now you all know who is a neighbor, right? Somebody who lives near us is called to be as neighbor. Neighbors are the people who live close by. Sometimes these are known people, but sometimes they are known to be unknown people. So sometimes we know them personally, okay? But sometimes we don't know them. So they can also be our neighbor. There are many other people whom we do not know, isn't it? There are lots and lots of people on this planet whom you don't know, isn't it? Like our fellow travelers in the bus or train. So whenever you're traveling in the bus, in auto rickshaw, you don't know them. Do you know everyone? No, not at all. How should we behave towards them? But how you should behave towards them? How should you treat them? Okay, you should treat them very nicely and properly. For that, let us read the story. See, the yellow box, okay? Read the story. Two men lay badly injured by the side of the road. So two men was injured and they were lying on the road. Many people passed by that way in the cars. So many people were coming and passing by in the cars, auto rickshaws, buses and other vehicles. But no one stopped to help them. No one stopped there to help those two injured people who are badly injured. Now what happened? Eventually, suddenly a man in a car stopped. So there came one man in the car and he stopped there. Okay, he didn't know the injured men, but he put them in his car and took them to a hospital so that they could be treated for their injuries. Okay, so this person, what he did, he took those injured men into his car and took them to the hospital so they can be treated. Okay, but this man did not know about these two men who were lying down injured, but still he helped them. Why? Because we have always been taught to help others, right? We are the human beings. The very nature of human beings should be helping. You know, you should always have the feeling of helping others, being kind towards others. So whenever someone is in problem, don't make fun of them. Don't start clicking pictures. But what you have to do, you should go there and help them. Okay, that is how you become a very good citizen. So until now for this class, we'll study till here. And in the next class we will proceed. Okay, thank you. I hope you have understood the chapter, and if you have any sort of a doubt, please go read the chapter one more time by yourself, being a very good student as well, and let me know if you have any problem. Okay, so thank you, stay safe and take care. Bye bye.